knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bond, so stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone. I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I want to talk to the fathers and adult males with young men around them. The title to this video is The Forbidden Topic. When and why should a father talk to his son, or any man talk to a young man about his mindset? How would you start the conversation about his thought process? What would be the starting point to let the young man understand what the conversation is all about? The conversation should be started early in the young man's life and at different times until he shows good decision-making skills. There should be reference to what good and bad behavior looks like, what the difference between wrong and right decision making of good decisions. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say, so I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, I need to reach 100 subscribers. So tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Later in the young man's life, at preteen age, character and integrity should be discussed. There must be a conversation about prejudging other people without fully knowing that person. Everyone deserves basic human respect until they show that they don't live with moral values. Having these conversations would allow the young man to become an individual and his own man. This growth and development in young men is what's lacking in our society today. Instead of them believing in and depending on themselves, they let other people run their life. Therefore, more conversations discussing their mindset or thought process must take place. That's it for this one, guys. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, if you have questions, go ahead and put some comments in the comment section. Like I always say, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you get a chance. And for everyone, peace and blessings. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they bout to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.